China is experiencing the largest and fastest urbanization process in the world history. In this magnificent historical process, Hongfa Machinery Group is accelerating this process in its own way. Along with this process, our company's production scale, technical strength and product quality are in the forefront of the national construction machinery industry. Our company was founded in 1990, is an enterprise integrating R&D, production and sales, specializing in the production of new building materials, machinery and equipment manufacturing enterprises. Our company has 2 machinery and equipment production bases, 2 environmental protection building materials production bases, in Linyi, Shandong, and Nanning, Guangzhou. The total area has 420,000 square meters, including work plant 180,000 square meters. Business scope involves machines for building materials, construction materials, environmental protection equipment, etc. 3 categories. The detailed products are AAC block production line, prefabricated plate machinery, concrete batching plant, automatic block making machine, and pallet, etc. 9 series and more than 40 varieties. Hongfa Machinery Group has senior engineers, assistant engineers, total 36, and 11-20 engineering and technical personnel. With more than 300 sets of various precision processing machine tools, and all kinds of advanced testing and inspection equipment, 30 years of wind and rain, 30 years of spring and autumn, Hongfa is walking on the brilliant road of leapfrog development. In 1990, Hongfa Group's predecessor, Henan County Construction Machinery Factory, was established. In 2003, we acquired Henan Internal Combustion Engine Factory. In 2005, the first set of production line for concrete batching plant was successfully developed. In 2006, Hongfa Machinery Group was awarded the top 10 brands in China's brick and tile industry. In 2007, Hongfa Machinery Group independently developed the first aerated autoclaved concrete production line. In 2009, the Vietnam company was established. In 2011, it was awarded the title of High-Tech Enterprise in Shandong Province. In 2013, our company successfully developed the leading automatic static press machinery in China. Guangzhou company was established. In 2015, Shandong Hongfa Environmental Protection Equipment Company Limited was established. As a traditional manufacturing enterprise, only by concentrating ourselves on product technology innovation and business expansion can it support the product quality. As the leader in China of brick machine and building materials machinery industry, Hongfa Machinery Group has always focused on technological innovation and pushed the transformation from science and technology to achievements year by year. With continuously striving for excellence in product research and development, Hongfa Machinery Group has developed into a national high-tech enterprise, as well as a national contract and promise-abiding enterprise, with 2 provincial-level enterprise technology centers separately in Shandong and Guangzhou. Hongfa Group has passed ISO 9001-2015 Quality Management System Certification, Knowledge Product Management System Certification, and independently developed more than 100 patented technologies. Work is to cultivate, and the spirit of craftsmanship is the foundation of cultivation, which is the spiritual driving force for China's manufacturing industry. Guided by policies and supported by technology, our company adheres to dedication, lean, focus, and integrates the innovative craftsman spirit into every link of production, design and operation. It is precisely by adhering to this concept that the company has won customers and won the market.
I bought this QT425 automatic machine from this manufacturer, and they have done a good job in providing the machine on time, and they have a very good backup support, and the machine looks good, and we are doing a trial run. Hopefully works out everything.
Innovation is the driving force of enterprise development. Craftsman spirit is the guarantee of product quality. Reputation is the life of the enterprise. The company has always regarded integrity as the foundation of enterprise operation. Strictly control product quality. Build integrity with virtue and business.